It takes about 66 days for an average individual to make something a daily habit. Eye pupil rises to 45% when an individual looks at somebody they love. Being alone is harder for your health than you really believe. During the 7 minutes of neural activity you will have before dying, you will see your memories in a dreamlike pattern. Hearing a single negative thing could damage at least 5 positive memories. Studies have shown that consuming food without preservatives will increase IQ by up to 14%. Men aren't more entertaining than women, they only make more jokes. They don't care whether others like their humor or not. People in blue rooms are also much more productive. People who speak 2 languages can unintentionally change their personalities when they switch to speak from one language to another. Studies show that travel improves brain well-being and even lowers a person's chance of heart disease and depression. People between the ages of 18 and 33 are the highest percentage to have depression in the world.